welcome. In the next 15 minutes, we'll be focusing on relaxation for sleep. Allow the soothing words to guide you into a deep state of tranquility, preparing both your mind and body for a restful night. Embrace this opportunity for self-care and let go of the day's tensions. Remember, this is your time to unwind, rejuvenate, and find peace. Begin by finding a comfortable position. Whether you're seated or lying down, ensure your body is fully supported. Close your eyes gently and bring your awareness to your breath. Notice the rhythm of your breathing, the gentle rise and fall of your chest or abdomen. With each breath you take, feel yourself becoming more present, letting go of the day's events and any lingering thoughts. Let the outside world fade away as you turn your attention inward. Visualize a soft, warm light surrounding you, enveloping you in a cocoon of tranquility. This light is your safe space, a place where you can truly relax and let go. As you continue to breathe deeply, imagine the tension in your body melting away, starting from the top of your head, flowing down through your neck, shoulders, and arms. Feel the warmth and relaxation spreading down through your torso, your hips, legs, and all the way down to your toes. Focus on your face, allowing the muscles around your eyes, mouth, and jaw to soften and release. Let go of any tightness or tension, allowing your entire body to sink deeper into relaxation. I invite you to bring your attention to any areas of your body that may still be holding on to tension. With each breath, imagine sending a wave of relaxation to these areas, releasing any tightness or discomfort. Notice how your breath is becoming more rhythmic and effortless. Allow this gentle rhythm to lull you into a deeper state of relaxation. Feel yourself becoming lighter, as if you are floating on a cloud. With each exhale, imagine letting go of any remaining stress or worries. Feel them dissolve into the air, leaving you feeling calm, peaceful, and at ease. As you continue to breathe deeply, imagine absorbing the peaceful energy of this scene. Feel it nourishing your mind, body, and soul, filling you with a sense of contentment and inner peace. As you continue to breathe deeply, imagine absorbing the peaceful energy of this scene. Feel it nourishing your mind, body, and soul, filling you with a sense of contentment and inner peace. I invite you to take a moment to express gratitude for this moment of relaxation and stillness. Acknowledge yourself for taking the time to nurture your well-being and prioritize your health. With each breath, feel a sense of gratitude and appreciation for the opportunity to rest and rejuvenate. Allow these feelings of gratitude to amplify the sense of peace and relaxation within you. As we near the end of this meditation, I want you to carry this feeling of relaxation and tranquility with you. Know that you can return to this peaceful state whenever you need, simply by taking a few moments to breathe and center yourself. I encourage you to continue to nurture yourself and prioritize your sleep and relaxation. Remember that you deserve to feel rested, rejuvenated, and at peace. As we prepare to conclude this meditation, take a moment to thank yourself for this time of self-care and relaxation. Know that by investing in your well-being, you are creating a foundation for a healthier, happier life. Now, slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Carry this sense of calm and relaxation with you as you move through the rest of your day or evening. Thank you for joining me in this guided meditation for relaxation and sleep. Wishing you peaceful dreams and restful sleep. Stay mindful, friends.